Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today again with the Mercedes AMG GLC43 Coupe. It is a gorgeous vehicle and I have loved it for these few days. In today's video I will take it for a drive in the city and show you some examples and my final decision about this AMG. So let's first start with a quick tour around the exterior. And what I meant with a final decision is actually a verdict. Let me introduce it like this. It has a Panamericana grille and that way it really fits with the AMG family of the SUV segment. But what about the sound and the AMG performance? Did it change compared to the predecessor? Well, in this video we will find it out. It has gorgeous AMG front bumpers and it also has the night package. You can see that from the blacked out horizontal lines as well as the lower lid. And yes, it has the new multi-beam LED headlights, just like in the GT, a little bit more edged, with 84 LEDs per headlight. So let's move over to this side of the GLC Coupe. It has a gorgeous rear end and the C-pillar, and I really love it in combination with the night package. It has a lovely 21-inch rims with the AMG shadow design. On the side it has the bi-turbo 4MATIC emblem with gorgeous lines. The front is not the only design change of this facelift. You can also notice it here in the rear. It makes it appear like a wide body, especially due to the new tail lights. Very curved in the end, just like in the GLB and the GLS. So it makes it a full SUV aggressive AMG design. And as I mentioned, it is a 4MATIC all-wheel drive, but it is a little bit more biased on the rear wheels, making it a real AMG and you can drift through the corners. It has amazing AMG exhaust tips, special for the 43 AMG, with double exhaust on each side. So now it is time to listen to the engine of the GLC43. And you guys all remember my previous videos with the GLC43 pre-facelift, and it was a bomb. The sound was amazing, a lot of crackles, and a real AMG with a 6-cylinder and only 23 horsepower less than its facelift model right here. This one has 390 horsepower. So let's start up the engine and we will listen to the sound. So I will change it to Sport Plus, and let's start the engine by holding the downshift and pressing the button. Amazing what it does with the sports. And this way you have the emotion start. Let's listen. With the roof tilted. Let's go. Well, from the interior it sounds amazing. You really hear the performance tone. And yes, it is different than before. And that's mainly because of the European regulation to reduce the exhaust sound. But what we get in return, also because we go forward in the future, is more performance. So once the tram has passed, we will listen to the sound. Here between the buildings, then it's even better. So for the question, is this a real AMG? Just look at the interior. It has the new AMG steering wheel with a flat bottom and two vertical lines. and in my opinion it looks gorgeous. The driving characteristics you can change here with the switcher on the steering wheel. And it also has the AMG body control, so the suspension changes for the AMG Sport Plus mode. And I really love the technology in this new GLC. It has the MBUX, and this way it has 2 digital screens, and these are fully adjustable. Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change the display to classic. So here it shows you the styles and display settings. I will confirm and hit classic myself. And in this way you can see it in front of me, the gauges. This is the classic tone in a blue color. On the right side you can change it from navigation to see the consumption, AMG settings, and of course the regular RPM. And yes, this new GLC has the 9G-tronic automatic transmission. It is called the TCT, the torque clutch transmission. Very fast. Downshift, upshift. So it's very smooth. From 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 4.9 seconds. And because this is the coupe, you can't have the panoramic roof, it's only one part. That's one thing you might prefer from an SUV, to have the full panoramic roof. The rear visibility is also not that bad, although you do have a small window for the back. And this is the heads-up display. Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn off the heads-up display.
The head-up display is off.
Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Activate the heads-up display.
The head-up display is on.
This is the AMG heads-up display style. You can also change it, of course, here in the settings. So it is a touchpad, touch button. You just have to swipe up and then you can change it. So if you approach a traffic light, the live traffic camera will appear. So it's easy for you to see when the light turns green. You might think it's also very comfortable to drive it, so let's try it. I will switch it to the comfort mode. And this screen is also a touch screen. So I will go one down to themes, and here you can press lounge. This way you have the classic screen in front of you and the radio station. You can also configure your own screen. So while driving in comfort, you do notice it still has an AMG sound. Of course a little bit reduced because the valves close when you put it in the comfort or sport mode. In the Sport Plus, however, the exhaust valves open. So back into comfort. And it is a little bit more business comfort style. It also says here, watch out for pedestrians. So it recognizes a crossing for pedestrians. with the white stripes on the ground. So let's hit the home button and go one more down. And here we also have the racetrack theme. So now it automatically goes into Sport Plus, downshifts. And here you can see the vehicle settings. So the gas and the brake. Currently we are standing still, so 33% brake. And the vehicle is also lowering, as you can see on the right side. And by the way, the ambient lighting also changed to red. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
change the ambient lighting to blue.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Gorgeous. So my final verdict, guys, is this is a real AMG. You pay so much and you also get so much. The performance is amazing, the design is amazing, and when you drive this vehicle you really feel special. So we are back, and I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching MercBenzKing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.